basically I have sold soaps and detergents, I have sold biscuits, I have sold steel, I have also sold liquor. And many of the liquor giants who came to 1991 to India to explore big market, they all failed miserably. So much even Mercedes-Benz came and Indians said, yo, come with a 1989 model. Indians don't buy old models. They meet at a third party place. Not at Pakistan. Pakistan is not a third party. It's an absolute. They make lessons, they meet in Geneva. The hair and conference. Or they meet at United Nations. You all. Yes, sir, boss, you have taught me how to run, but I can't run anymore, I become old and I'm losing my energy. Daughter said, I know there's a lot of energy in your country, but I become old. Why not you meet together and do something together? This story, all of you, is a very old story. They came to a mutual understanding, it is no more confrontation but cooperation. The first lesson of an entrepreneur, no confrontation but cooperation. If I cooperate with that person, chances are he or she also will cooperate with me. Please remember, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, it takes two hands to shake hands. If I want to shake hands with him, I extend my hand, he doesn't, I may fall, right? Possible, I may become unbeatable. So please remember, this is the first point of management lesson. No, first point of entrepreneurial lesson. You have to cooperate with others. Second lesson. This is a very well-known thing. This happened from an Indian, from a bomb, from a Kolkata, on 11th of September 1893. You know what happened? 11th of 1893, great thing. And Indian, Kolkata, came from a land of state charmers and rope tricks. He was addressing the Parliament of Indians. He was only 30 that time. Technically, he was born on 12th of January 1863. So in 1890 he was just 30 years and odd months. Swami Vivekananda. Believe you me, he addressed the Parliament of Indians in Chicago. If you have a chance, please visit Chicago. You still missing a plaque. The place has been put to dust of America, telling brothers and sisters of America. And do you believe, if you read Sarah Bull, immediately all the 7,000 plus audience in auditorium, they stood up and they started clapping. And Sarah Bull writes, you are so good looking, so handsome. But Swamiji was very good. Let's not hide. If you can take this mass hysteria to your stride, you'll agree you're good. And Swamiji, after 2 minutes, under us applause, he said, I have come from a land which has taught you values. Imagine, he could never say, no, I come from a land of rope tricks and snake charmers. I come from a country which is behind, which the Britishers have used us as bishops, this, that, and other, nothing. He said, I have come from a country which has taught the world values and ethics and culture. He delivered total 18 lectures, 11 are there still. 7 I don't know. I have read 11 of them. I asked Borunda, now currently Swami Prabhananda, the Vice President Maharaj of Ramakrishna Modern Mission. He was teaching us and on the board. 11 are there on record. So if you have a chance any time, please read Swami Vivekananda. I very strongly believe an entrepreneur must read Swamiji. Because lesson 3, so what did you learn from the lesson? It's a known thing, brothers in America. He taught us relationship. First, cooperation. Second lesson, I must do relationships. If I have relationship with that person, chances that he or she also have a developed relationship. And don't agree. Swamiji 1893 before he mara geche o buro log chilo onek let me give an example from ITC, which is obviously one of the largest FMCG companies. We call it the FMG, Foods and Grocery Company in the country. ITC's Purushla, who just retired as the vice chairman. Purush once told me, Shobda, it takes so much of time to get a customer to my fold.